Hey guys, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. Anyway, in Gujarati we say કોઈ પણ રીતે. Anyway, in Gujarati we say કોઈ પણ રીતે. કોઈ પણ રીતે. Casually, in Gujarati we say સામાન્ય રીતે. સામાન્ય રીતે. Somehow, in Gujarati we say કોઈ રીતે. Somehow, in Gujarati we say કોઈ રીતે. કોઈ રીતે. Actually, for actually, in Gujarati we say ખરેખર. 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 Alright, I am repeating. Anyway, કોઈ પણ રીતે, casually, સામાન્ય રીતે, somehow, કોઈ રીતે, and actually means ખરેખર in Gujarati. Now let's see sentences. So here I am writing anyway. From ChatGPT we got this sentence. Let us see. We will finish it anyway. So in Gujarati we can say આપણે આ કોઈ પણ રીતે પૂરું કરીશું. Okay, આપણે means we. Okay, we will. We will કોઈ પણ રીતે means any way. Anyway or the anyhow also work for this sentence because the sentence is formatted like that. So just to understanding, just to give you understanding, the both word will use either anyway or anyhow. Okay, let me repeat for you. Our sentence is we will finish it anyway. So what we are trying to say, anything will gonna happen but we will finish it. So in Gujarati we should say આપણે. So for we, in Gujarati we use આપણે. For we, in Gujarati we use આપણે. We will, okay, finish it anyway. So the complete sentence in Gujarati can be આપણે આ means whatever we are trying to finish, we are pointing it. કોઈ પણ રીતે means anyway, finish, will finish it. પૂરું કરીશું, to finish something. To finish something. Okay, if I want to say I will finish this, so in Gujarati I can say હું આ પૂરું કરીશ. If I want to say I will finish this, so in Gujarati we can say આ હું પૂરું કરીશ. So to finish something in Gujarati the word is પૂરું કરીશ. To finish something in Gujarati we say પૂરું કરીશ. So let's back to our main sentence, which is we will finish it anyway. So આપણે, okay, let me clear it. આપણે આપણે means we. Means whatever we are doing is કોઈ પણ રીતે. કોઈ પણ રીતે means anyway or anyhow પૂરું કરીશું. Okay, will finish it. આપણે કોઈ પણ રીતે પૂરું કરીશું. So this is our first word, anyway. Okay, sometimes ChatGPT is not giving the correct one, that's why I am just giving it right way to give me the correct sentence. The next one is casually. Okay, next one is, so the meaning of casually, I mean for Gujarat, I mean in Gujarati for casually we say સામાન્ય રીતે. Okay, સામાન્ય રીતે. Okay, he spoke casually, so I have to give, because ChatGPT is didn't have the word casually means સામાન્ય રીતે, so I am just giving him hint. Okay, I asked casually. So this is the correct one. ChatGPT given me. I asked casually. In Gujarati we say મેં સામાન્ય રીતે પૂછ્યું. Okay, મેં સામાન્ય રીતે પૂછ્યું. So you understand one thing. Like how I mean always saying that some words and sentences even in Gujarati people used to talk in English with English word only. Let's say for example the same sentence, if in a real word if you come here in Gujarat and if you find someone speaking, they will say મેં casually પૂછ્યું, મેં casually પૂછ્યું. But to give you understanding the real word of the Gujarati, I am giving you the actual meaning of that. So I asked casually. In Gujarati we can say મેં સામાન્ય રીતે પૂછ્યું. I means મેં. Okay, asked means પૂછ્યું. I means in this sentence મેં. Okay, and asked means પૂછ્યું. Okay, and casually means સામાન્ય રીતે. Casually means સામાન્ય રીતે. Asked means પૂછ્યું. Asked means પૂછ્યું. Okay, if I want to say I want to ask something, I want to ask something, so in Gujarati we can say હું કાંઈક પૂછવા માંગુ છું. Because see, this is the here પૂછ્યું and પૂછવા માંગુ છું. So this word is showing that the activity is finished. That's why પૂછ્યું. But when activity is about to go, okay, that time પૂછવા માંગુ છું. Okay, I want to ask something. હું કાંઈક. Okay, for something in Gujarati we say કાંઈક. For something in Gujarati we say કાંઈક. Okay, I want to ask something. હું કાંઈક પૂછવા માંગુ છું. Okay, માંગુ છું means I want. I want. Now let's jump again a sentence. I want this. So હું આ માંગુ છું. If I want to say I want this, so in Gujarati we say હું આ માંગુ છું, or મને આ જોઈએ છે. But because I want to give you the exact like can say understanding of different words how we can make in Gujarati, just try to understand. But feel free, if you have any doubt regarding any sentence or word, you can reach out to me in comment box. The next one is somehow. Somehow. So for somehow in Gujarati koi rite. Okay, so now onwards let me try to give ChatGPT along with Gujarati words so that it can give me the right sentence without wasting my time. Somehow and the meaning of it in is okay. Okay, my bad, I was okay, no problem. So somehow I reached home. Somehow I reached home. In Gujarati we can say હું કોઈ રીતે ઘરે પહોંચ્યો. Somehow means કોઈ રીતે. I mean somehow I reached home. So કોઈ પણ રીતે, either by taking taxi or by taking cab, I mean auto or something. કોઈ રીતે means somehow I reached home. So in Gujarati we can say હું, I means હું. Okay, કોઈ રીત somehow we can say કોઈ રીતે. For home we know ઘરે. Okay, and reached means પહોંચ્યો. Reached means પહોંચ્યો. Okay, reached means પહોંચ્યો. So if I want to say I reached at home, simply in Gujarati we can say હું ઘરે પહોંચ્યો. Okay, yes, this is right one. પહોંચ્યો. H will come. Okay, I made a mistake here, but this is the right word. પહોંચ્યો. I reached at home. In Gujarati we say હું ઘરે પહોંચ્યો. Okay, now back to our main sentence. Somehow I reached home. હું કોઈ રીતે ઘરે પહોંચ્યો. હું કોઈ રીતે ઘરે પહોંચ્યો. હું I means હું, somehow કોઈ રીતે, for home ઘરે, and for reached પહોંચ્યો. So the complete sentence will be હું કોઈ રીતે ઘરે પહોંચ્યો. Now the next one is actually. Alright, so see, now ChatGPT is giving me the correct sentences with the right word, because earlier it was trained or maybe finding their own knowledge from their own knowledge somehow, but I'm still giving him proper training. And why? The thing is, I'm going to prepare a custom GPT for you to use. So it's under development. Probably you will get it soon through my either Telegram channel or WhatsApp channel. So if you have missed to join my channels, you will find it in the description box. From there you can click and join my both of the channels. The benefits you will get it. Usually some days I am putting some notification, some materials I am sharing. These days I am little bit busy, so that's how for some reason it's not that much active, but now onwards you will find some good helpful materials, notifications for you. Let's back to our sentence. Actually I like tea. So in Gujarati we can say ખરેખર મને ચા ગમે છે. ખરેખર મને ચા ગમે છે. Okay, for actually in Gujarati we say ખરેખર. Okay, મને, I like tea. મને. Okay, for this sentence I is equals મને. Okay, ચા, sorry, like means ગમે છે, and tea. For tea in Gujarati we say ચા. So the complete sentence will be ખરેખર મને ચા ગમે છે. ખરેખર મને ચા ગમે છે. Now you might have confusion for I, when should we use મને, when should we use હું, or etc etc. So for that, in upcoming session I have within this series only you will find that session as well, so don't worry about it. And for each session you'll have the complete course book. That link also given in the description box. You just click on it and you will find the details, and in front of that each YouTube video link which I have created. So for example, if you have missed any video or you want to refer particular video to learn particular topic, so that Excel sheet you can refer. Now let's jump into the sentence again. Actually I like tea. So in Gujarati we say ખરેખર. Okay, actually means ખરેખર મને ચા ગમે છે. ખરેખર મને ચા ગમે છે. Okay, to like something in Gujarati we say ગમે છે. Okay, if I want to say I like to play cricket. So in Gujarati we say મને ક્રિકેટ રમવું ગમે છે. ગમે છે. Okay, if I want to say I like to play cricket, so here I means મને ક્રિકેટ રમવું ગમે છે. Okay, my dear friends. Okay, so this is all about our today's session. You see, we have learned four words along with four different sentences with the meaning of it. So this is how we'll do regular practice for Gujarati, and along with that we'll do some practices on writing and reading. So to learn Gujarati in detail, subscribe my YouTube channel. We'll meet again with a new video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and Jai Shri Krishna.